Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Cancers. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Cancers. And I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this general reading. So let's start with these cards first. Nine of Cups, Five of Swords and the World. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. You are happy about certain things, guys. You have that emotional satisfaction and things are going in a very positive way in your career or it may be in your personal life. You have that peace of mind, that sense of completion. Things are just falling into place for you, guys. And you have achieved certain goals for yourself. Maybe it may be career goals or in this love, in this relationship. You simply feel complete with this person. Happiness is there, emotional satisfaction, contentment is there, and you feel that balance today, guys. And maybe you have a very truthful and a very open relationship with this person, and they appreciate it a lot, guys, because you are someone who's really honest. There are no secrets between you both, and you have a very clear communication, a deep bond attachment with this person. And maybe in certain circumstances you are facing some troubles, but it is not something major, guys. It may be something small. There may be some minor arguments or some misunderstandings, but you have that love and you are honest, and that is the reason things are going in a very positive way in your situation, guys. Maybe in your career or in your personal life, Cancers. And this may be your energy or their energy, guys, towards this relationship. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. Sorry, guys. It is Queen of Swords in reverse. So you are having that love towards this person, but they may not be honest like you, guys. They may have certain things hidden. Maybe they have they are hiding something from you. They are masking their true feelings. So whatever they feel, they are not telling you. Maybe they are here in connection with you for some reason, and it may not be love, guys, for some of you. That is what I see. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Strength in reverse. So in your career, guys, maybe you have some weakness, maybe some addictions are there that may come in the way of your work, or it may affect your work potential. So some kind of difficulties because of that, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, Cancers, with these cards. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned and watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for y'all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances it was not clear, and you did not know what to do, or what is the reason for that situation, or what is happening, or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge. But today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind the circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you. And you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness, from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you, guys. And you need to be really clever, and you need to be diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy. And in certain situations you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whenever whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold your hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.